I don't know how to cook. Sugar doesn't know how to cook.
I could cook.
She can do a little thing and I can do a little thing. Don't get me wrong. So this is a journey for the both of us. So we're gonna
jerk chicken.
Start trying to cook like a lot of different things. So tonight, what's on the menu, baby? Chicken foot.
And I don't care if y'all don't like it. It's a Jamaican thing. It's a Caribbean thing.
Americans call it chicken feet.
A lot of people eat it. Eat it, so that's just that. So we're just cleaning it right now. And then we're gonna wash it with some lemon.
Some vinegar.
And vinegar, and then start seasoning.
A lot of Americans don't like
chicken feet.
Yeah.
I love it though, cause you could eat it with like the soup. You can eat that in the soup, or we're currying it. And if you curry it nice with some nice white rice, it's really really good. But you have to clean it good because there's like brown spots on it.
She don't like to see it, so.
Yeah, we're gonna try to keep it completely clean though, right?
Yeah, this is harder than it looks though. Chicken, so why curry chicken for today?
I just like curry and yeah.
And I know you love chicken
curry. Yeah, I really like chicken foot, and then you make it with like a nice rice.
But the thing is, curry is really hard to cook, in my opinion. Yeah. So cooking curry for our first thing is like a big challenge for us. Like you went, and chicken foot itself, because chicken foot takes a long time to cook, or it's gonna be hard. And there's not a lot of meat on chicken foot, like it's small, so if it's hard, it's gonna be really annoying to eat. So it's a really hard thing to cook.
You know what I figured? Like the other day, when I make a stewed chicken, I figured if I could curry chicken foot, I can make any type of chicken foot, and then I know how to curry chicken. So it was like kind of killing two. Instead of just making curry chicken and then making some type of chicken foot, whatever, like if it's stew or whatever, however it's made, I figured, you know, it'd just be easier. It makes more sense to do that. So I just hope it works out that way. And if it does, that's great. If it doesn't, then
that's fine. We'll learn from it.
Yeah, we'll make it again.
Alright, so I finished cleaning up the chicken foot. So they're clean now, and I cut off all the toes. So now we're gonna wash them. So just a little basic wash, and then we're gonna get some lime juice, catch some water in it, and put some lime juice and some vinegar. Let it sit in it so it can be fresh and clean.
Garlic powder.
I used to do this at work. I used to do like whole buckets of these. We don't even need this whole onion, right? We do. I'm gonna put it some You sure ready the whole thing?
Damn, I hate onions, man. My eyes are running water like crazy. Damn, onion. Baby.
Yeah.
So we
This is not the pane. What wanna do?
We don't know what we're doing, so we had to call.
Wash it off. Wash it off? Yeah. Well, I'm gonna put the pane and.
Then I write one then?
No, I'm just gonna put no curry. So that's why now.
That's like curry powder, no so? Curry powder there, that's what she got from over the end.
That one.
But it not look strong, it just look white out.
What's that? This is season salt. Okay.
She got from me,
so you gotta be generous with the salt, with the seasoning.
What you know?
Yeah, what's going on? This is garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
Let me see when we season it now if it now gonna look better.
Go on, mother. Do your thing, mother. What did you put on it?
It's a curry. Yeah.
But if you burn it in that pot, right, Anna?
Yeah, you can.
Burn it in that pot.
Yeah. Sorry. Tenderizer.
What
Basically, that a little adobo, you don't want too much salt. And right now, too much season I put on this now. But anyway, rub it up. I mean, I still no cut up, no.
Yeah, man, over this, everything them cut up over to the arm.
What?
So we have garlic, pepper,
that look better now?
Shake it.
Should we add a little water to it?
No, you're
No?
putting the
Just
pot.
put it in this
Put
pan?
these in here, yeah.
One more thing, so me I fry up that, Anna. In it first. No? So I put everything one time?
Oh, where you cook. Put the pot on the fire.
Look at all knife pot. Put all knife pot on now.
Just a little bit so you burn the curry. Better now?
Chang.
More different from one with that.
Oh, you said don't use the pot, right?
Whoever didn't know this, right? This one is my mother.
Oh man, I hope you don't have me on camera right now because I have on close to
She don't like the camera, so that's why you guys haven't seen her before.
It's
don't-
just
Even though she's beautiful, she don't listen to me. We got a different pot. The Dutch pot.
Yeah.
I have a Dutch pot. And the seasoned chicken pot looks good.
You gonna look better now? Okay, just put little curry when you're done in the pot now.
Yeah, no, that. Stir it up, stir. That's fine now?
Check out the, we having it. Check out the pan.
Burn the curry powder. Sugar plum, right? So what's next, sugar? Adding everything?
I hope so. Make it burn a little more. Me curry.
The fire too low. Try heat up, man. Alright, Anna.
Take me down.
Thanks for the assist. Anything else we are gonna call you, understand?
That's why the pot not hot. Because fire no up.
Anytime I want help, sugar plum, we call you that. You're a mother? Right?
You're a mother.
What you just say?
Yeah, mother.
Tell them to stop it, but not laugh with you.
No.
Yeah, should I try a thing?
Let's do some about him.
Let's make a little smoothie while we wait for the food to be prepared. Just a little smoothie. Because we're
in
bored and it's going to take a long time.
What's in it? Add honey to it?
We have blueberries, bananas, an orange, some vitamin C, and yogurt.
Strawberry. Are you gonna add honey to it?
You want honey in it?
Yeah, make it a little sweet. Ooh, natural. Hey, Kima, you feeling better? Ooh la la. Sweet look, my baby. Ha ha ha. Ooh, do it again. But yeah, we put the food in like a while ago. The rice is fluffing up. Ray fluffed it not too long ago, and the chicken foot is sitting. So we'll give you our update in a little bit.
The food is on the stove. Sugar's eating a whole bunch of cake before the food is even ready. So watch her not eat it.
That's a lie.
But the food is cooking. The rice is
Preparing
done.
my palate
The white rice is finished
to
cooking.
handle the curry.
The white rice is finished cooking. She's just making it steam a little longer. You said it's kind of wet, so Sugar's making it steam a little longer.
Yes.
And the chicken foot, we expected it to take a little while, but it's gonna take longer than we expected because it's
not
kind of
as
hard.
yellow as we would like it.
Yeah, the curry. My mom said the curry is not real Jamaican authentic curry. It's American, just watered down damn curry, so it's kind of light. Like we put a lot, as you guys can see in the video, we put a lot
Yeah, it
of
was
curry
like a
in it,
lot.
and it's still not like a strong yellow, like strong curry look. So what can we do about it, eh? So now we're just chilling, relaxing until it's time. The Sugar likes the smoothie.
It's just a little sour, but
The orange I put
the
in, she
orange
said
is
the orange
sour.
is sour.
But it tastes pretty good.
Vitamin C is vitamin C. You taste it?
Yeah, you definitely taste the orange though.
It's good. You taste that sourness in the back though.
Yeah.
That's life. But let's Let us know what you guys think though, because we're planning on posting more, as you guys can see in the last video. We're planning on posting more, doing more, so expect a lot from us. And if there's anything you want us to particularly do or say, just let us know, and we'll do that, you know. But hey, this is a new journey for us and we're excited. You excited, Sugar Plum?
Yes, I am.
You're excited for this. And wait until we move out. Wait until we move out, yo. So that's why we're learning to cook now. So this series is gonna be called Learning How to Cook, because that's literally what we're doing. We're not gonna pretend like we know what we're doing. We don't. We're learning. You can turn it off. Yeah. You can turn it off. You're good. So we're learning. All these things we're learning. There was no book to read or anything like that for us. This is just something that we're gonna have to learn along the way.
With the help of our mothers.
With the help of our mothers, definitely. So just stick with us, guys, and follow this journey, and see where we end up. You know, big things, hopefully. Right, Sugar Plum? I feel like we're lifting it off too much, but it's a really funny thing. I really don't want that to happen. Maybe that is not focused. Alright, Sugar Plum, can you talk me through what we have here, baby?
Rice and curried chicken foot.
What kind of rice?
White rice.
White rice and curried chicken foot? So how was this prepared? Talk me through it.
Yeah, we cleaned it and seasoned it and fried it up. It had some potatoes and carrots, some sweet peppers, hot peppers, thyme. Looking good, looking good.
It looks really good, man. I just say that myself. And it smells really great, you know? Oh my god, everything just looks fine. The rice looks really puffed and nice. Are you ready to dive into this?
I'm already starting. You're a little late to the party.
Aye. Alright guys, so the food was phenomenal. For one. That food was phenomenal.
It was really good.
Oh, it was bomb.
It was better than I expected.
Exactly.
We had a little help from Madre. But
I feel like we did most of it, you know. But she did come in on the crucial part and help us a little bit. But the food tastes so goddamn good. I did not expect that.
Yeah.
I tore that out.
And chicken foot is really inexpensive. Like really, that pack we had, I bought for like $4 and change. So it definitely. Do you call it a struggle meal?
Baby, it tastes like
no damn struggle.
It tastes like something that you would eat like when you don't understand how
by
good
choice.
it tastes.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's really good. Trust me.
It was curried nice. We thought it was like not curried enough because it wasn't getting the color. But the potatoes and the curry powder eventually turned out really, really good.
It was good.
Yeah, so I'm satisfied with tonight's meal.
And I know a lot of people don't like chicken foot, but you guys should give it a chance, honestly, because that was
just like cow foot. We'll make cow foot one day.
Yeah, we gotta do cow foot next. Not next, but
I didn't know my baby liked cow foot like I did.
Oh yeah, I like cow foot.
So
aye. Cow foot is hard to cook though.
Yeah. But when you cook it good,
it's worth it. We'll get there though, guys. If you guys like this video, they know the ropes, right, Sugar Plum? They should know the ropes by now, right? If y'all like this video, leave a like, right? Comment down below. Let us know what you think. Say hi, say hello. Be like, hey, don't call her Sugar. Her name is Sophia Kelly. I don't want nobody calling her Sugar. Alright?
And subscribe if you haven't gotten a chance to yet.
Subscribe. Peace out, guys.